Hello everyone, this is Bharat Jhunjhunwala and I welcome you to Speaking Technically and ProRSI.com. Today we are going to look at how we can really find out the dominance of a trend using ADX and using RSI. So I have chosen INFOSYS right now, and you can see this is the daily chart of INFOSYS, and there are something to notice. First is this RSI. Now the RSI has gone below the 60 levels, and when it comes back it is unable to cross the 60 levels on the upside. Now it has taken the hit at the 60 levels and started rolling down. So this is the type of signal which can indicate that the trend may no longer be up, right? So but it's not a foolproof signal to go short as of now, but yes, it tells us that there is a high probability that the trend may no more go up from here, right? It is just a probability. Now one more thing that confirms the same thing is this is the bearish harami candle. Right now, bearish harami candle is also an indication of a sideways trend. It indicates the trend is fully sideways. So we got two uh, signals that is telling us that the trend may be moving into a sideways zone. One more thing you have to notice here is that RSI is also taking resistance at the 45-day EMA that is plotted on the RSI. So EMA is a very integral part of RSI system and it should not be ignored. Okay, because many people I see on the Facebook or on the YouTube, they are teaching RSI and they are ignoring the moving averages on the RSI. They should not be ignored because it is an integral part of the RSI system. Let's come back to our chart, and we have seen that these two conditions here, which tells us that INFOSYS may be going sideways. Now let us switch to our ADX and see whether this move up has been able to create a dominance of the trend or not. So this is ADX daily chart, and you can see that the green DMI or the positive DMI has been unable to move above the red DMI, that is the negative DMI. So negative DMI is still dominant. Once it moves above the red DMI, then only the uptrend becomes dominant, not before that. So here in this situation, you must have noticed that how the green DMI or the positive DMI has moved above the negative DMI here. So at this position, when it moves above the red DMI or the negative DMI, the trend strength is established on the upside. But when it fails to move, it really tells us that the trend may be not established on the upside, or the trend may start moving sideways to down. So, and if you can see here that prices have again moved into the moving average band, and once it closes below the moving average band, then it may become evident that we may be having some correction. And one more anticipated pattern is not complete here is the head and shoulder topping pattern here. If you can make it out, this is an head and shoulder pattern. All right, so it has not been completed yet. It will be, if you are acting on this pattern, it will be a premature type of act on it. So let it complete, and then only we can confirm that the INFOSYS may start moving down or may start a deeper correction. But right now the trend is sideways, and we have to wait to get a cue from the trend, either from the RSI or the ADX or the candlesticks, anything that tells us the trend has resumed on the upside. Then we can go on for the longs. But right now there is INFOSYS is in a no trade zone. We have to wait and watch. So this was it, guys, from speaking technically today. And if you have liked the analysis, please do hit the like button. Do share it with your friends so that they also benefit and learn from this thing. And do comment in the comment section and tell us how do you like it. So this is Bharat Jhunjhunwala signing off. Keep earning, keep learning, and trade well.